Hey guys, how we doing? I'm Jeremy. I'm with the Jammin On TieDye Studio. I've been making tie-dye since 1991, and I've been using Dharma dyes the whole way. And today we're going to make a red, white, and blue tie-dye t-shirt just in time for Independence Day, the 4th of July. And it'll be a cool, fun summer project for you guys to do. And I'm going to show you how to do it. You ready? First thing we're going to do, we're going to take a t-shirt, 100% cotton, because that's what these dyes work with. You're going to soak this t-shirt in soda ash. Now that comes in the kit. Everything you need is right here in this kit to make this shirt that we're going to make today. Everything. Like, it's all right here. We're going to use two colors. We're going to use number 10 fire red. We're going to use number 22 cobalt blue. Everything you need is in here, your soda ash, your rubber bands, your rubber gloves, all of it. And now I'm going to show you how this is done. So first thing we're going to do is we'll take the shirt, stretch it out. We're going to fold it in half, just like so. Okay, so once you get it nice and in half like this, I like to use the Crayola washable marker to make a guideline. And I put it right under the armpit here, straight across like so. Just like this. Now, this washable marker will just wash out, and it's just a guideline, so you know to put red here and blue here. So first we're going to do the stripes. Okay, so you just take your fabric like this, you do about a, I don't know, inch worth of a pinch here, pinch it up to make your first pleat, just like so. Then you make another one right behind it like so, and then another one, and you're going to go all the way across with your pleats. You try and make them all about the same height, same size as you can, so you get the uniform look. Okay, once you've gone all the way to here, now we're going to do the top. So the top of this shirt, I call this a crunch, which is going to give it kind of a crunchy look. You'll see when we do the opener. You just take it and just crunch it in like this. Right? That's your crunch. And these are your pleats. The rubber bands. These come in the kit. You take the rubber band here and you put it right on the shirt like so. On right here. I like to start with the ends like this. Reason being is if you start in the middle and you're trying to put the rubber bands on, it gets all bunched up. So I put them on the ends first like so. So this way I can put the next one on, and then we can put the next one on, and the next one. So basically all these rubber bands is just holding the fabric in its fold, so it doesn't wiggle around and stuff, you don't lose it. A couple more rubber bands here and then we'll be ready to dye. It's going to be a great 4th of July t-shirt. Red, white, and blue. I love 4th of July. One of my fave holidays. Always a good time. Alright, and the last rubber band. That's it. There we go. That is a tied shirt. Now, we'll go to the dye. Here we go. We're going to dye this shirt up here. I always use rubber gloves. Rubber gloves are included in the red, white, and blue Dharma kit that you can get straight from DharmaTradingCo.com. And everything you need to do this is in here. But I always use gloves because, you know, I like my hands being the color they are. And it's a simple, easy way to just keep your hands clean, inexpensive. I always recommend it. Okay, there we go. So this is the fire red, number 10 fire red, comes in the kit. And we apply the dye to the shirt. We're going to do quick sweeping motions. You don't want to dye it too much because then there won't be any white in it, and you want the red, white, and blue effect. Alright, now you get your blue. This is number 22 Cobalt, Dharma dyes. Get everything. I get everything from Dharma. And once again, not too much because you want the white in there. If you over soak it, you're going to have hardly any white, and then you don't get the red, white, and blue. Okay. So then we'll take it and we'll flip the other side, and keep your red on the red and your blue on the blue. Try not to overlap them too much. And there it is. Red, white, and blue t-shirt. And now that we're finished applying the dyes, so tie-dye has to sit for 24 hours. This has just got to go sit because the dye chemicals do a reaction, and this reaction occurs over 24 hours. It's called the curing process. All the instructions you need for this are right in here. Everything you need is right in this Dharma kit. And now we're going to go put this in my dye room and let it sit. We'll come back to it and open it up shortly. Alright, here it is now that we're done. So I always wear rubber gloves because of this. Keep the fingers clean. So I'm going to take all these rubber bands off here. And we're going to see what this shirt looks like. Are you guys stoked? Are you ready? Dude, I'm ready. This is going to be awesome. So we did the red, white, and blue here. All the Dharma colors. Everything you need to make this shirt is right here in this kit, including washing instructions, care instructions, how to do the shirt instructions, all the chemicals, the rubber bands are included. There's a dust mask in there for mixing dyes. You got these cool rubber gloves, they're included as well. All the color you need. Everything is in this kit right here. From Dharma Trading Company. Which I've been using for 27 years I've been ordering my colors from Dharma. And in 27 years, they've all been exactly perfect. Everything I need I get from Dharma. Okay, you ready? You just want to see, want to see, want to see? Here it comes. Red, white, and blue Independence Day USA colors. Some happy 4th of July. Right in the wash. Thanks, you guys. You ready? We got the shirt. It's all done. Here it comes. Out the dryer. And red, white, and blue Dharma t-shirt.